Dinner was great, and now you would like to continue to impress your guests with a delicious dessert. Well, we got you covered here at Asai Guy Cooks with Banana Pecan Praline Bread Pudding. So let's get started. Let's prepare the bread. Let's prepare the bananas. Now we're ready to make the custard. Place in the fridge for 20 minutes. Set your timer for 45 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Bread pudding can be traced back to the 11th century England, and it was known as poor man's pudding. Due to the lack of food in those days, cooks repurposed leftover stale bread and made pudding using water, sugar, and spices. Let's make the pecan praline sauce. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this bread pudding has an amazing texture. The combination of bananas and pecan pralines creates the magic. This is one of my favorite desserts, so I'm going to have to go in for a little bit more. Wow, this bread pudding is really amazing and everybody at the table will enjoy it. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like a delicious dessert for you and your guests. Stay with us. Watch the next video.